about to try to put this shark fin antenna. As you see, I got that one. I'm trying to make a little slicker look to this one. So we'll try to get this one off this long. And you have to pop the back off right here to get to it. So stay tuned. Sorry, I'm back. Did a couple things. Didn't get the whole video on how to install it, but basically you got to pull the back tabs down on the back part of the car to get to the antenna. Unscrew a 10 or 11 millimeter bolt, and it should comes up easy. And if you don't get you get the universal one, you have to splice the old connect wire to the antenna. Yellow one is a yellow connect. Splice it and add it on to the new antenna, and then put it on. So this is how it looks from the old one. So as always, thank you for watching. Hit the like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.